This line graph visualizes the steep upward trajectory of AI inference costs. As developers integrate top-tier models like GPT-4 and Claude Opus into their applications, the price they pay every time the AI generates a response is climbing steadily. To escape these rising expenses, a massive parallel ecosystem has emerged in the shadows. A quick search will lead developers to unofficial API brokers offering access to these exact frontier models at massive discounts, often 50 to 90% below official pricing. In February 2026, the AI company Anthropic released technical evidence exposing the reality of these discount brokers. They are the public-facing storefronts for industrial-scale technology theft rings. The sheer scale of the operation is staggering. In a single campaign, Anthropic tracked over 16 million illicit exchanges, routed through 24,000 fraudulent accounts, all operating in perfect coordination to siphon off proprietary AI capabilities. This infrastructure suggests that the 90% discount isn't just a market bargain, it's an entry point for an ecosystem that monitors and archives every request, putting budget-constrained organizations in a position where they trade their internal logic for a cheaper monthly API bill. This flowchart tracks the creation of a dark token, an unauthorized unit at AI access. The process starts at industrial account farms. Operators use stolen identities, credit card fraud, and automated trial abuse to hoard thousands of individual AI subscriptions. Those thousands of stolen accounts are then pooled into a centralized proxy server. This middleman acts as the beating heart of the supply chain, aggressively packaging the raw API tokens and reselling them to end users seeking a discount. To make the experience feel seamless for developers, these operators hijack legitimate open-source routing frameworks like OneAPI. The software effortlessly intercepts incoming developer traffic and redirects it through the fraudulent accounts without triggering an error. This creates a sprawling, multi-headed infrastructure. When an AI company detects and bans one fraudulent account, the proxy instantly routes the traffic to another. The network heals itself in real time, making a complete defense nearly impossible. Proxy operators maximize their profits through three distinct mechanisms. The first is simple price arbitrage. They acquire the tokens for pennies using stolen credit cards and resell them at a steep markup. This data dashboard illustrates the second method, model swapping. A developer pays for a premium model, but the operator secretly routes their prompts to a cheaper, inferior AI, pocketing the massive margin while returning a degraded response. The impact on application performance is catastrophic. When Germany's CSPA Helmholtz Center tested these shadow APIs, they found that accuracy on complex medical benchmarks drops from roughly 84% down to just 37%. The third and most lucrative revenue stream is log harvesting. As traffic flows through the proxy, the operator permanently records every single prompt sent by the user and every single response generated by the AI. This logging transforms every interaction into training data. By archiving prompts at scale, operators build a high-value corpus of proprietary code and business logic that users unwittingly provide in exchange for a lower price point. The primary buyers for these massive data logs are located in China. Tech giants like DeepSeek, Moonshot, and Minimax purchase this harvested traffic to aggressively accelerate their own AI development. They use a technique called distillation. In standard machine learning, distillation is the process of training a smaller, more efficient model to perfectly mimic the behavior of a larger, smarter one. By feeding the harvested proxy logs into their own systems, foreign labs specifically extract chain-of-thought outputs. They force America's frontier models to explain their internal reasoning step by step, allowing competitors to map and reverse engineer the logic structures. This illicit distillation short-circuits the global technology race. Foreign competitors are cloning the brain of an advanced AI without investing the billions of dollars and years of foundational research required to build it from scratch. In April 2026, the White House issued an official memorandum escalating the issue. The federal government formally classified industrial-scale distillation via these proxy networks as a critical adversarial threat. Legitimate AI developers spend months installing safety guardrails and ethical constraints into their models. But models cloned through illicit black market data are stripped of all those protections entirely. These unprotected capabilities are designed for integration into foreign military and intelligence systems. By stripping out safety filters, these models allow specialized AI power to proliferate in direct conflict with international security norms and export controls. At the enterprise level, exposure happens quietly. An offshore development team trying to bypass geo-blocks, or an individual engineer simply trying to cut cloud costs, routes their requests through a shadow proxy, triggering a silent breach. The application continues to function, masking a dual failure. Proprietary company data actively leaks into foreign training logs, while secret model swapping causes hard-to-diagnose drops in reasoning quality. This diagram illustrates your first line of defense. Security teams must explicitly pin the official API base URLs in their configuration management. By enforcing strict egress controls at the network gate, you automatically block outbound connections to known shadow proxies. Developers must also implement canary queries. By periodically sending known answer prompts to your API endpoint and verifying the exact response, you ensure your application is actually receiving outputs from the official model. In the shadow API market, a lower monthly bill masks a long-term data breach. If an organization selects a provider based on cost alone, they are trading their most sensitive intellectual property for a temporary discount on compute.